timer mode, fan, eco, power. Then this thing's open up and down. Unit itself is pretty big. $279. This one. And you get all these accessories. You get that, and the remote control. It is about $229. It has all the levers here. Power, modes, fan, dry, cold, eco, fan. And you can connect with your phone. Look at this one right here. On the jacks. Smaller unit. This is a lot smaller than that one right there. And it costs about the same. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.